Welcome to this short video about our Protimeter digital mini moisture meter. This is a pin type moisture meter with a digital display. Let's first see what's inside the box. So we have this pouch here. There's a zip pouch with a belt loop, and inside the pouch we have our moisture meter. We have a pin extension lead, a quick start guide, a calibration chart and some spare pins. So this calibration chart here has 150 different species that you can cross-reference your reading to. Now these quick start instructions will allow you easy access to the meter straight out of the box. It also has a QR code with the full instructions and other information about the product on here that you can use with your mobile device. So let's have a look at the meter. The meter here will start on the batteries. They run on two AA batteries that come with the meter. You pull the tab to start them, and then you'll see a large LCD display, and under the cap here we'll see our pins for taking moisture measurements. In the side here you'll see the port for our pin extension probe, so we can just pull the cap off, we can plug this into the side here, and you can use this probe to get into hard to reach areas. This port also takes other accessories such as the hammer electrode, deep wall probes, baseball probes, etc. On the other side here you'll see the grills for the audible. This is louder than the previous version too. Also the battery life is 3 times longer than the previous version. On the front here you'll see the 3 buttons here. This button is for the Bluetooth to turn that on and off. We have an accompanying Bluetooth app called Protimeter Connect that's a separate video on that. And this allows you to store data on the app, and so you use this button to turn on and off the Bluetooth and also get into the settings. But let's turn the instrument on here now. We'll remove the cap and you can see the readings here, digitally displayed here, as well as our green, yellow and red zones. So our green, yellow and red zones indicate the moisture condition of the material. We also have dry, at risk and wet listed at the bottom here. So really simple, easy to use and understand. Now let's have a deeper look at the functions of the meter. To turn it on, we're going to press and hold this lower button. Once you've turned it on, you can see on the display here we have the low symbol. That means it's below range, and of course that will disappear as soon as we get a reading. And on the top left here you'll see the battery indicator. Down here it says dry, say dry, at risk and wet. Now we have the Bluetooth button here, and in order to turn it on we're going to press and hold. You'll see the Bluetooth symbol appear here. It's flashing because it's not connected to the app, but there is an app called Protimeter Connect, and there's a separate instructional video on that. But that app will allow you to download, record and share readings from this moisture meter. Okay, let's look at the settings menu. So we're going to press this again. Here we see the different languages that are available in the meter. And we're going to go back to English. Now we can turn on and off the beeper. We can change the brightness, so if you're operating in bright sunshine you can move that all the way up to 10. We have an auto off up to 10 minutes, or you can turn this function off and just use the on and off button here. And you can turn on and off the dry, at risk and wet functions. The meter has reference mode. This will allow you to take a baseline reading and then take other readings and compare them to that. That reading will stay in the meter's memory until you turn the meter off. This is how it works. We'll make a moisture reading here using my finger, and then we'll press and hold the right hand button, and now you'll see reference appear at the bottom and a separate reading here. So the actual reading will appear on the top display, and then how many points above or below that initial reading is shown on the bottom display. The meter also has the ability to check its own calibration automatically. It'll do this every 50 power cycles. You can also initiate it by pushing these 2 buttons. So hold this lower button and press and hold this button. And then now it'll go into calibration check mode. You can see it's passed here. It says pass, and the reading here. So that's the Protimeter Digital Mini, a pin type moisture meter for use in building materials. Thanks for watching.